At ChildFriendly, we understand that it's crucial to present families with the visual identity they associate with your program, especially as they contemplate registering. Embed our online registration form directly into your website in just a few easy steps. Simply log in to your ChildFriendly admin portal, go to Public Registration, and click on Embed Current Form. Copy the HTML code provided into your website and voila! Your website now features a seamlessly integrated and mobile-friendly registration form that perfectly aligns with your brand. But it doesn't stop there. With our platform, you can take customization to the next level. Personalize confirmation emails by adding custom images, formatting text, and providing links to essential resources that will help families get ready for their first day. With ChildFriendly, make your daycare registration process smooth, professional, and memorable today.